Hello, my name is Thanh. I come from Nghệ An province. Today, I'm happy to tell you about my family. There are 4 people in my family: my father, my mother, my sister, and I. My father's name is Ned. He's 43 years old. He's a businessman and he's working for a company. He's very knowledgeable and modest. He's at home now. My mother's name is Tâm. She's 40 years old. She's a businesswoman and she's working for a company. She's very kind and caring. She's at home with my father now. My sister's name is Phương. She's 17 years old. She's a student and she's studying at a high school. She's very careful and generous. She's at her school now. My name is Thanh. I'm 20 years old. I'm a student and I'm studying at the Academy of Finance. I'm very beautiful and caring. I'm in class now. Thank you for listening.